with that St. Mary. St. Mary was there. St. Mary was there.
Oh, Miss Daddy careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Show you something. Show. How are these? Orange?
Yeah.
What's out the roots? You
Orange
show,
or a grapefruit?
Orange with them big prickly, yeah? Big prickle. Oh no, you planted there for me come up. Are you planted there?
Yeah.
Anything you put in hand pan in a parry and plant, you know, they did not when put in hand pan, you know. Anything you should put in hand pan. It's not dead. Well, what a lime tree plant about? I'm not bother with him, you know, because I'm not a phone man, I bear my shaking. You know, my shake there. So, remember to tap a little sitting there, give me porridge, you know, brother. You have that down give a glass show? I want a little, when you want white house banana up and so. If you drain out so much, if you can't go make porridge. The porridge is nice, I didn't make it. You don't make your porridge, then sure you don't know about the porridge too. But me know, say me notice, you notice, nobody don't want them make it, but them are going to find them for them now, you know. Because they hungry, you know, sure. You understand? I already did this, so sure, one chocolate tree, you know. What that? Mango, oh yes. Me go look mango a gully. Next clip Paris. You hold up a young boy show them. I show him a look and him a say me have to go get a man or two for. Yeah. Him a take up young banana sucker cause you know what the family no show, right? And a time now for sit down and talk, a time now for look up for the young banana sucker them and replace them somewhere, right? A banana take one grass root can strong, you know. But no better kill out yourself. So remember say we all do a little something here so different. Better tired out yourself. Yeah, show them. I want you show people them in next week. Can people then come to me now? You know how me get them? Why eat them fowl? Fowl eat pepper? Oh Jesus. Show them that now. So Parry, look on that tree there. Show them me show.
Yeah, Parry.
You say it look like soursop tree, him say a mountain sap. Show them the one, take that and make it drop off. So one day on it, Parry, don't tell me if you don't know. See it there? It look like soursop, it look like custard apple. Yeah. But shoe say a mountain sap. So show and me see one next look one. Inside the first it will be a Parry. So comment and tell me if you don't know it and if you don't ever see it. We are watch it show what they not continue. They don't want that pity. She said no, they don't want that pity. Parry, St. Mary with there and show down the start chopper. Show see people me tell them, say something to them, yell them up the man.
Yellow Parry.
Tell them where you do down a bush there. Yeah, show a clear, do look a clear enough for me. Well, if I work him at the thing in a Parry. Me let him and somebody else help him and then I come. Mine is not show. Show, this one me I tell you about. What happened? This is not the St. Vincent plum. This is what? Ag plum? Yeah. But ag plum and plum we can't eat. But it will right there so do. Eh? No, we don't eat ag plum. So see then on Parry, the banana you know, it fall down from the tree. Me did a look, but me I look on it and see say, I know St. Vincent plum tree. So he might tap off a banana because it's ag plum. But that the plum can't eat, but we will hold the land around there so. So you notice it in a blow down. So next door to it right there so now, we have one tree right there so it look like soursop tree. Show them me show.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead I go way up in the.
Yeah man, I want lime tree you know, so let's see if we can find some lime on this. Yeah. A few. There have a few full one on it, so I'm going to see if we can pick some lime now. Yes, Parry, good morning. Bye, with the bush. Yeah, man. Show a look banana for it. Yeah. Ooh, I'm going to cut one up there, so. And see him find one here a while ago, we are ripe. You know. You boy. Yeah, man, I want the full shoe. No, that one full. Okay, we are see where we can get in the bush, you know. Yeah, man, the bush stay bad still, but through the rain, nothing can do you now. You, nice banana, that nice eating banana. Yeah, man. Yeah. Maybe I don't know how much you have to pay for that. The hurricane, yeah. Everything price gone up now. Yeah, man. A lot of work to clean up at this. Spar, I find a few little lime here. On a mud still, but you know, it's better than none at all, yeah, man. So I move on to something else. Still a look. I don't know me will find it, but I still a look. Yeah, man, a bush me there. You know, so you can't find things. Find one mango tree a parry. Yeah, man, mango right. But like these no good at all, yeah. Them are no good. Yeah, man, these no good at all. These are number 11 mango, but these no good. Yeah, man, whole heap of orange and tree, yeah, man. Ooh. Tree have a few well, but it's not ripe yet still. We might have that 2 months or so. We have orange. The next tree again.
Okay, now Paris. So in the prior clips, you realize that I was at St. Mary again after that. So this is my tata vlog from St. Mary for now. I have some black mango. Yeah, I'm going to show them a mango tree. I'm going to get few number to eat some already. I got some limes there. I got some pineapples. These are all sugar loaf. Yeah. Yeah. See, barrel banana, them you see how they look? Yeah. I'm going to get the little one right here. So, we call it White House. We use it. It makes nice porridge. I think I did a porridge on the Debbie Deb strain already with one. So, showing you. This is a White House. I see some people are sell it at market, but I use it to make porridge. It can make dumplings too. It's very smooth. To last. Banana, them we berry left back. We got some breadfruit. We have breadfruit, yeah. When I think all of my breadfruit, them gone, but breadfruit, the pantry up there, them young, them might come. And of course, we got some jelly. So this is my little tata all from St. Mary. For now, got quite a few jellies. Yeah, and my berry banana, them right there. So we give God the glory. We thank Him because He's always been good to us. Eh? Paris, good morning. It is the next morning. Breakfast. 2 St. Mary black mango. I hope them in an hour. Blessed day to you. Yeah. These are the crufty ones. You know, they have the soft skin one, but back in the days when we were kids in the country, we never call it black mango. We call them paper skin. But at town, they call it black. Let me add you through the crufty one we have, but they same like black mango though. Breakfast is in a car, girl. Now go pan no store. All of them are blow off in a gully. Remember, we know all of uno will follow the vlog them. See when me and I think me uncle I made that show no mango tree down a gully there with beer with black mango. Yeah, darling, so black mango drop, but them not so sweet. See, me feel say they were rain. Can I tell you now? A whole heap of rain. I mean, you think say storm bring rain up there? Storm just make it place soft, that's why I may have the landslide then. If the rain the weather fall before, but I just have blow down, you wouldn't have the landslide. Another one you taste so. Yeah, may I eat this and maybe 2 pieces of pine and tell Dad for chop on jelly for me. I eat this, you know. I'm not on a breakfast. Road bad, road get worse bad. I have Jerry carry. I'm feeling vehicle. Because you can't ride this sitting them on come everyone. The hurricane dig up the road where body tired. I reach in about maybe before 2 o'clock. And cool off and just go wash off and just head right in on my bed. I don't look for nothing right now. I come out here right now, I'm still tired. I don't look for You see, look how sour. You know that kind of black mango there? Look here. This is not the time to be finding fault. You see, Parry? This is the time to be giving thanks. And you see? I have a few brushes around this so we go roast, but guess what? I'm not no coal in it. About 5 or 6 of them and I roast them. I don't like the fry over breadfruit, but you see what got me now? But I start up now already. You're not going to be able to choose. You see some people love the trouble to eat Parry. Everything. I don't like this. No, I eat them something there. I'm sorry for them. You know, some people, you know, second, send a little thing and so everything then phosphor. Yeah, some people, everything then when it comes to food, no. When I look sweeter. When I not bad. If when did I go say? I don't remember. All me see left there. At some bud mouth mango way a bun side. I don't know. I come back up me and see if me have one sweetie tree there. When it's fully full, it's full of, when more time in the beer, some year, not every year, full of maggot. But a country people, them we go bush cut take up mango, peel it, and eat it and drink water. You stay there, that's where I come from. Remember Paris when I always talk about going back to where we're coming from? And I really like, you know, see a situation come now. You see, when you see me show it on camera, it might not look so terrible. But being on the ground and see what I go on. All when light come back in, make no difference. Cause look here. Hungry. Famine. I go pack plants on like a quick crap now, like some callaloo, pack child like a string bean, you know? Cucumber. Carbusham. Cucumber eat too, cucumber drink some water. It's gonna be so hard. You see, I'll mark it. Look at people them. We take the market like the black man very sweet. Then living. Back to school. Picnic for back to school. Picnic for start high school. Children for start college. Mighty God. Most of them are mothers only. And I little market. Cause me can talk about that. Cause my mother and market me tell you now all the while say she go. Nothing for them go market. Nothing will like banana them blow them planting. It will look a breadfruit left. How long breadfruit I go stay for? Banana planting. Some of them have yam. Like yellow yam and there's something where they pan stick. And I go on. The breeze, it just them they not come to nothing. Huh? The breeze just sort them out. I go get my jelly and my pine and come back here. I eat some pine and Parry, but it's this season. My skin I did so pretty. Up a water, man. Too much water. Good breakfast is fruits, mango, pineapple, and water. That's not cut it till it. A party of sweet. I want to go and free. Oh. Give thanks. God spare. I'm so in sympathy with those with them house. Not and get help. Put my house together. It's not easy. Everything I got rough here now. Oh. I want to make some couple more trip up at St. Mary. So I'm going to start out my business up there now. But just I pray for the I get little we've had this month dry next month. I mean I think I have to do fast before the September October rate. Step in. Eat the last of the liquor. For now. You know when it's gonna eat hard party? By the end of this month. It start eat already, but we could blow down banana and like a full plant there and 2 breadfruit left a bush. And basically that's what I see coming. I have nobody that ever do no farming and the tangerine tree did bear, it's just sour.
It blow down.
The tangerine tree blow down.
From good while now.
No more one tangerine tree here. Eh?
No. It's in a ground there now.
It soon spring up back.
Yeah, it's like it there.
Hurry, yeah, vlog, you know.
You have the tree where they did beside the tear down plant, right? You have to go chop
Oh. So that tangerine tree. Eh? So that tangerine tree. Alright, so that I say tangerine tree bear down. Yeah, but tangerine smudge. But me not tell a lie for the past years them. Tangerine are like 1,500. You know say something. Terence, me can't understand. Oh, tangerine would have so expensive a market. What caused that? Parry, tangerine, grapefruit, lime. Me no know. But me catch on in the next step. Me catch on. Tell me one thing. When me, even a few years back, me say no sir. When me never go back up and send me a car, me not tangerine somebody. I'm going to market and come and say, Mama, buy tangerine for me. Because she tan like her father and them love tangerine and I love tangerine too, true. We eat a little one or so. Yeah. But I'm saying when I see the price of tangerine in the market, I'm saying, why tangerine is so expensive? Tangerine is something where we go country, go pick, all the way pass the road and people tangerine are ripe, we pick it off. I not get it when my mother used to go to market, she carry tangerine. It's no price, I don't know. Everything just changed. Lime. Before this time, you know. But challenging times, you see the people, I don't know. The prayer have to still continue, but me have to still pray. We got to still pray. Remember me telling you. I keep saying it, I'm not stop saying. If you're not in prayer, you can't pray. Make sure that somebody in your household will pray. Look here. Even though the storm passed, as I said before, the season is very young. We're just 1 month in. We don't even know we're out there. We depend edge for any little thing now. But with Christ in the vessel, we will smile at any more storm for come. But it's going to be sticky. Because when you have a nation, and we are not a big farming nation, I just must say St. Elizabeth and so. Most of it, then we tend to export them. When you have a nation for feed and the farming industry mash up, it's not easy. Next clip. Sorry, me dey on outside now. This alone me have a school, but this can't roast it. I mean, I have one bag of coal I sent me in and I left it cool. Me cut me seed and say me I'll take out some and then there's so many little things for tend to inside and outside and I forgot it. I get some of them little breadfruit here, you know, but I'm going to try see what I can roast. If I get some put with that, I don't know where I get it come. I don't know if I get no hole, you know. But I'm going to try. How about this here, so? What happened to this right here, so? I ring like it. You see it? You see it? I breeze ring it up, you know. But now I take on the knife here right there, so I'm going to bleed it. Heavy, you see, parry them full of water, you know. Breadfruit taking water through the stem, you know. But by the time the sun for come up, I put in the sun and ready for roast them. Then we're ready, man. So when we there country in a party, when we have look up in the country first time, we just pick breadfruit off a tree. Like we are going to roast breadfruit next morning or for dinner, we just pick it. And just put it, we not push no knife through no hard. Sometimes they do, but sometimes we still have some humongous breadfruit in there. Easy to get knife run through them there. And we just pick it and bleed it. 2 toes by me, my put it and left it for bleed right there. So we call it bleed. So we chop it. You notice? Some people that see, oh, why are you doing that? When you don't know, you just don't know. So sometimes you need to watch and just don't say anything and learn something. With some big old breadfruit like them, yeah. We put them and chop, then we call it bleed it. Meanwhile, we then left, we're going to make up fire for roast breadfruit. We're not wash it to breadfruit roast. I go roast them, because Daddy famous to put them in the fridge. Me not a girl who like the breadfruit when they go in the fridge. Fry over breadfruit. Not really, but me have the family, so. And for my breadfruit, them just are coming. You have a little bit of sap in there. My breadfruit, them, so. Me never lose. Me think me lose, but me not lose all of my breadfruit, them. Because my breadfruit, them young, you know, my breadfruit, them never full up yet. To July now, you know, my breadfruit, them now, not ready for coming yet. So them little one here, some little one where they dip on one tree, right yard. But I think most of my breadfruit, them up at St. Mary, they all up. So, You know, if me ever show another one, yeah? The world are in. You never hear this one? So when you cut off the breadfruit right here, so breadfruit stem. See it? I'm not sure if it signifies the end of the world. I'm not sure what it signifies. I don't know. I just hear it. So I just put that aside. But I know that from a little girl growing up, when you cut a breadfruit stem, there was always like a semicircle and you have a wide part. Leave. And as I grow and become a woman, I am an elder woman now, I realize that there isn't anything. It's almost closed. And them say, when it's closed, that will be the end of the world. Comment and let me know if you have ever heard that. But all me know say, it's just that seed. You can't hardly see it. You ever hear that before?
I hear it.
You hear it? We don't know if it's true. But do you realize, say, I don't know if you ever cut the breadfruit stem. You realize, say, it almost closed now? Eh? I don't know. I don't know, but, oh, Terence, this ripe.
That's right.
You know, so a nice slide through it. And you know, show a sign of ripening, you know. A slide, a nice slide through it, you know, boy. Some of them are ripe too, you know.
Yeah.
Because the rain.
Yeah, man. Soak.
But the whole of yellow at them, you know, see them there. Turn, you there? Me a feel it. Me roast the whole of them. Just a wait on. And it burst, yeah, so me not even a fear. The one you light. The one them a burst?
Light.
Them light, yeah, so. And me like a produce them and me a angle them here with really a feather gloves, me a angle them here with now, you know, parry. Me now go ag nature. Me never normally ag nature. Them some little brush them then can't quell hungry. And I don't know what breadfruit we have left in the fridge and roast breadfruit. All of them they did use out. I just want to come in with the two of me roast.
I think one of you two bag in left there.
Then can't roast rub. Yeah, me roast fry over. All those who chat about them on this all this turn to. Yeah, man, it's then left it cool weather up there and come down here so you know hot weather. Yeah, nice to crush them. You can see so them thing they pan them one already, you see it? Them bleed out so. All of them I can hold pan this one time, you know, just want to get some cool. I say, I'm looking at the bag with the coal, because the bag of coal, and I buy that bag of coal up there for Dirk sitting. Yeah, I remember all the coal workless, and from that, I look funny. And I not even know say show no use it. So, Barry, I go look cool. And I come back and sort them out. Here, that one is heavy. Full of water. I have to deal with it different. So you say I have to cook that little one here. Terence, this is heavy, but I have one knife fridge, you know.
Look green.
You don't know nothing about brushing, man. I sent Elizabeth you come from down there, you have to go in green way. I have one in the fridge in there, so I might cook it. Cook it for dinner. I'm not sure yet on banana. So, see them the parry. Put them, the stem them in the garbage. I'm out here barefooted. I'm barefoot, you see me? Barefoot, out there, so that's all. Listen to me. So, parry next clip. You see this parry? This me carry this from fire. I mean, I make it spoil. I have all the power work to do. But maybe you know see what I do with this in our next video. I have one little experiment where somebody share with me. I go work it on the green banana then because I have good amount of green banana there. I go work it so. I have some work for do. Next clip. Parry, got that go get coal. He back there. What can you see? $500. But guess what? How much you back a coal now? I
don't know.
About $1,000. I don't know, but when we get to buy a bag of coal, me sure no. But look here, you can't watch this in a car, buy from the people in the market like when me I go buy. And a hustle. What is it? Oh, for cover and stuff. So you want a piece of mesh. Them buy it for hustle back off, not true. So you can't have to make one little money. So I suppose me here buy gold for hustle. That's how it go. And the banana, the breadfruit, then there. Then it sound good though.
It sound good.
Then I get a good chink, is it? I don't know still in the because first time when I'm cool, you know say, how is this? Piece of oil and oil. I go try. I never high layer. I never use cooking knife to catch fire. I know I do me. What kind of paper? This? Oh, them. I don't want to care about the funny man. Them are green paper. So, if we did a buy coal for sell back for us, not true. You soon can't. No, hold the coal all they know, you know. Can you free them? Blow down. So, I buy a bag of coal at market still, but I'm glad I get the parry. I now go, not true. I talk about this, that, and the other, and terror. People have to live. Everybody have to live, so. I'm glad and I think you're reasonable. Parry, comment and tell me. And as you go along watching this vlog, please tell me what is your favorite part in this vlog. Remember, when you watch my vlog, remember, say if I make sure, say, even though the hurricane come and the garden, I show you right how me I go through with them vlog, yeah. How me I go through the hurricane season. So stick and stay. I Debbie down a yard, yeah. Same way from Yasso to St. Mary, to and from me I carry on. See how me I navigate my way around it. But each vlog you watch, remember to make sure that you're liking it. Remember to make sure liking are the same thing as press the thumbs up button. Remember to make sure say you watch my ads them. Watch the videos to the end. Leave me a comment below. Cock up your foot. Make sure say you done all of your work. Up in your uppity bed. Up in your couch. Wherever is your little relaxing place. And remember, make sure most of all to tell me what is your favorite part in each vlog. Thanks for loving all I know when did it with me. Me have somehow no miss, I really do appreciate. Road out there, some of they run her back. Yeah. So yeah, see this aguan here, so never carry on like me never carry on before. Through this hurricane period there, how me I navigate my way as a Jamaican. Yeah. Alright, Parry, you see, I catch it right away. See it there? That can't take it smoke. See it there? So me put the 2 pieces of paper. No curse in there. Right away. Fire catch. Next clip. Alright, Parry. That coal there one little and roll it coal. It a pop. I'm going to put on brush. I don't know if I'm going to put on everything at this point, but put on a couple of them. Coming out here with them, and I'm going inside. Go do what I do. So I make them before they go and jam. I have 2 more around here, so then they're right there. So I'm done with this, yeah. So my hands sweat, so. Then they catch up, man, it good. It's alright, so. I not for sure, no, definitely, you know, so I roast breadfruit all the while, so. When I know see me again, all of them, I go roast. See, now, I know, so after them roast, that I peel them, slice them up and do it with them. See?